Hey everybody, it's Ori from AstroWeb, and I'm going to show you in this video how to create a simple buy now button with PayPal on your website. So this is just a quick tutorial to walk you through, but in short, before that, I want to explain that this is for a buy now button. It's not for a dynamic shopping cart. It's more for kind of either like a donation or just a one product or single product websites. And so let's walk through it. Okay. So basically what you can do, of course, you have to have a PayPal account, sign up, of course, get approved, all that stuff, link your checking account, your bank, all that kind of stuff, set up the account. Okay. Then you can go to PayPal and you can just Google search it, but basically click on type in buttons for single purchases and you're going to get to this page. Okay. So I'm logged into our business account with PayPal, and I basically want to create my own button. Pretty simple. Okay, so I clicked on that, and then it asked me the type of button that I want. So buy now, donations, gift certificates, etc., etc. So I'm just going to do this buy now button. Here I'll have a link to saved buttons if I do create buttons prior, and I can just create duplicate ones, just kind of use them as templates, kind of. Okay, so here I want to call the item name. So the item name, let's call it test video 1. Okay, so that's what we're going to sell in this specific case. A unique item ID just for your own identification. So let's just call it test vid 1. Okay, the price you want to receive, let's say $30 US. And here you can customize the button with different options. So for example, you can ask for a drop down. So maybe instead of just clicking to buy, there could be multiple options, like maybe 50% deposit and 100%, pay in full, or a blue one is $30, but a red one is $40, right? So maybe I can do something like this color, and the option 1 would be blue and say red. Okay, and I'm going to remove, only have 2 options. Okay, so this will be 35. Okay, I click on done. You can also add drop-down menus like, other drop-down menus with other features, of course, right? And also a text field. Maybe you want to enable them to write down, I don't know, like a gift message or something like that, or any kind of message, maybe something like email or something like that. Okay, perfect. So I'm going to skip this right now. You can customize the text and the appearance, but not too much right here. So I'm going to move on. Next one is for shipping. Are there any specific amounts for shipping? Are there any specific amounts you want to charge for tax? Here you want to select the secure merchant ID. If you don't, it'll just in the code reveal your specific identifier, your business company identifier. So it's better to use a secure if you can. Okay. Here, step 2 is optional. Is do you want to track inventory? So you can do that by clicking here and just specifying the quantity in stock for each one and the total itself. Okay. So right now we don't really have inventory. So you can see right here. Okay. And if you do specify inventory, you can select if you want customers to have a certain action if it is sold out, right? So you can either enable them to buy regularly, or you can redirect them to a specific URL on your website. Okay, so we got that. And next one is just a few more customizations. Basically, do you want to let your customer change order quantities? By letting them select the quantity. I want 1, 2, 3, 4. Add a special message on the PayPal.com checkout, or and then what happens when someone cancels a checkout or they finish checkout successfully. Okay, so that's basically it. So once you finish that, you want to create the button. Very simple. So you're going to create the button, and very simply, you just go and you copy this code right here. You copy it. You go to your server. For example, something like this. I just created a simple HTML page. I'm going to delete this, paste everything, save it, and then just test it out. But basically, let's go here. I save that, and that's it. So I selected a color, and if I select as a user red 35 and I click on buy now, it'll redirect me as a user to paypal.com. basically see the company name, the specific information, the item number, the color, the option itself, one quantity, and I can go and proceed to pay. That's basically it. So hope you enjoy this video. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.